Hello, welcome to Cooking Without Limits. I hope all you guys are doing well. And today, what do we have today? We are making coconut macaroons, bringing you a recipe that's great for coconut lovers. So, this is one of my all-time favorite recipes. Guys, this is so easy to make. And believe me, when you make it, you'll know how great they turn out to be. Golden, crispy on the outside, chewy and soft on the inside. And you know what the best part is? 4 ingredients only. That's all you need to get to your coconut macaroons fit. Let's get started. So, for this recipe, what do we need? We need 4 ingredients, as I said. And we're gonna start up with shredded coconut. You can use sweetened or unsweetened. Half a cup of sugar and 3 egg whites that are separated already and preferably on room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first thing first, take a medium-sized bowl and we're going to add our egg whites. To that, we're going to add half a cup of sugar. And lastly, we're going to add our vanilla extract. So we're going to be using our electric mixer and we're going to beat these until they are fluffy. So your mixture should look foamy like this. And to this mixture, we're going to add our shredded coconut and fold. So we're going to fold our coconut into our foamy mixture. Just making sure every part of the coconut is coated. So once it's evenly mixed, you'll be able to press your spoon and you'll be able to see that your coconut has absorbed all that foamy mixture. And that's exactly what you need. So as you can see, the spoon is coming out to be dry and nothing is sticking onto it. Okay, so the mixture is ready to be scooped out. But what's important to remember is don't forget to preheat your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to be scooping these into our macaroons using our ice cream scoop. So time to scoop out our macaroons and line your baking sheet with a parchment paper and scoop out your macaroons one by one, at least an inch apart. So scoop them out and keep them an inch apart on your baking sheet. So they have been scooped. I placed them an inch apart. They are ready to be baked. Now we're going to be baking them for about 15 to 20 minutes per se. However, it also depends on your oven. We need to make sure that they're brown on the outside, but they're still moist and chewy on the inside. So you don't want to overbake them. And we need to make sure that they are brown on the top, but not burned. Okay? Let's get baking. So the outside edges should be golden brown. Now you're gonna notice that the macaroon mounds itself are a little bit white. You don't want to over bake them. So what we're going to do is, in order to keep them moist and chewy on the inside, we're going to broil them for about a minute or so, just so we can get that golden crusty look at the top. However, we're not going to obviously burn them. So the macaroons are out of the oven, and now you'll be very tempted to touch them, but please do not touch them. Let them cool completely. Takes about 10 minutes or so. I know it's very tempting, but don't dig into them yet, okay? Wait till they're nice and cool, and then you're good to go to try them out. Okay, so our macaroons are ready, as you guys can see, and we're ready for a taste test. Let's dig in. Look at that, so soft and chewy on the inside and moist looking. Outside is super crunchy. Time to take a bite. So, super soft, very chewy. You can taste the coconut obviously because these are coconut macaroons, so you've got to be able to taste the coconut. So this recipe is super easy, super delicious. It's plain and simple. As I told you guys before, it's a 4-ingredient recipe. So do give it a try. This recipe can easily be shared with friends and family, and I'm sure anybody that tries these are going to love it as much as I do. Also, these can be made ahead, and you can store them in an airtight container, and they'll keep well for for long. So you can serve it even later on to your guest, or even munch on them if you like to. So go ahead, give it a try, and don't forget to like the video. You have to give us a comment and let us know if you enjoyed the recipe, and please subscribe Cooking Without Limits, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. See you guys next time.